Right, just had our first train of the day, which is a HST, which has just departed, heading towards Reading. Off it goes. We've got a networker turbo unit now arriving, on its way to London Paddington. It's 166212. One 166212 has just departed, continuing its journey to London Paddington. That unit departed pretty swiftly, didn't it? Right, just had a HST storm through its speed, heading to Reading and beyond. Well, we've got 166203 about to depart, heading towards Reading. Off it goes. Just had a DB Cargo Class 66 come through, hauling a loaded container train. Awesome. Right on the heels of that container train is another networker turbo unit, which is also heading towards Reading. Here it comes. One 166220 has just departed, continuing its journey towards Reading. That unit wasn't hanging around. Right, we've got a HST about to storm through on its way to London Paddington. Here it comes. Right, so the network of turbo unit stormed through at high speed, heading to London Paddington. Boy, that unit was going really quick. Right, London bound HST. Oh my goodness me! Just had an unexpected crossover. London bound HST has just arrived, whilst another HST heading towards Reading has just stormed past. That was unexpected. Right, we've got the 1649 service to London Paddington getting underway. Off it goes. Right, so the network of turbo stormed through at speed en route to London Paddington. Close behind that HST that just stopped here. Right, just had a HST heading towards Reading and beyond, stormed through at speed. Nice.
If you require assistance at any time, feel free to contact a member of station staff or use a help point.
Right, 166211 has just arrived, working a stopping service towards Reading.